Tonight we'll be cooking the very popular Indo-Chinese dish, chili chicken. In this bowl I have 3 large chicken breast pieces cut into small chunks, which will serve 6 people. I will now add a teaspoon of crushed ginger and a teaspoon of crushed garlic. This is definitely one of my favorite dishes, as it can be served with naan bread, rice, or in a wrap. In goes the dried flake chili, which adds amazing flavor to this dish. Some of the health benefits of chili chicken is that it contains protein, so makes your muscles stronger. In goes the sesame oil, the soya sauce, the Worcester sauce, salt, and some chili powder. And it also makes your bones healthy. I'm just going to add a tablespoon of corn flour. Another reason why I love this dish is because it can be cooked up within an hour. It is perfect for guests, adults as well as children. It's a very versatile dish and can be even used as a filling as well as a main dish. I'm just going to fry up the chicken until it's light golden brown. This is definitely ready to come out. Just fry up the second batch there. This is looking ready for the next stage. And there we have some dried chili flakes, some chili powder, whole dried chili, and some pepper. And there we've got some fresh peppers, onions, spring onions, wow, and some ketchup. This is going to be a bomb of flavors. There's also some honey, golden syrup, and vinegar in there. Check out my ingredients description for the full recipe. Now I'm going to melt some and mix some butter in there into the oil that I used to fry the chicken. About a tablespoon of fresh crushed garlic. Some tomato ketchup. Just a splash of water there to prevent it from burning. Pour in the spices. A pinch of salt. In goes the chicken. Tell me that doesn't look good. I mean, the colors, the flavors, the aromas. In goes the onions, the peppers. And finally, in goes the spring onions. And there we have it, people, chili chicken. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please hit the notification bell if you would like to receive new videos. Please share and like and enjoy.